Happy St. Patrick's Day from all of us at Floral Design Institute. Today, celebrating with reclining tulips. Let me show you how it's done. Tulips are such fabulous flowers and unique in that they continue to grow. And they'll grow towards the light. They also try to grow against gravity, but their heads are so big and heavy when they are in season that sometimes they still are going to droop, and designing can be tricky. But if you pick the proper vessel, something long and narrow, you can work with that movement. Just go ahead and add water. Have it pre-mixed with flower food. Then as you place your flowers, work with the drape. Remove any foliage that's going to be in the way, but give them a cut and let them slant and recline. Continue placing your tulips in a parallel fashion. Don't cross the stems, just slide them in. Thinking about their head size. Larger ones come in a little bit shorter. Smaller ones, a little longer, but remembering they're all going to continue to grow. So work with that placement and let them relax and recline beautifully. To finish, adding a bit of texture and a little bit of visual weight to the back, maybe some green trick dianthus, letting it just sit upright, a little bit shorter so it just nestles right in. Maybe a fatsia leaf, letting it come out to the opposite direction. A little bit of hypericum. Again, tucking it down. Then lastly, small amount of lily grass. Letting it come out to the side with the tulips, giving you a little more elongation and carrying the darker green from right to left. You could stop here and use it year-round, but today, St. Patrick's Day, let's go ahead and add a little luck of the Irish. Maybe add one shamrock right down, finding a spot to go through. Give a little spin, some movement, and then bringing in another, maybe a little shorter, tucking it right down in front to enhance the design. The recipe: 10 fabulous tulips, a full bunch, 5 strands of lily grass, 1 fatsia leaf, 3 green trick, and 3 green hypericum. Then for fun, the 2 shamrocks to finish it off. As florists, we get to celebrate all the holidays. You'll find more creative inspiration on the website, flowerschool.com. If you have questions, you can reach us through there. But now it's your turn. What are you going to create for your favorite holiday? Find tulips, find an accent, make it up beautiful, take a picture, post it on social media, and hashtag Floral Design Institute. That way we all can see what you do as you do something you love.